Welcome to the Monday Make, a series of STEAM do-it-yourself videos brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. I'm Ryan, a library assistant here with New Services. Today we're going to make LED flashlights. Are you ready to make something? Okay, so the supplies we're going to need for our LED flashlight are a craft stick. I have the jumbo bigger size that works a little better. An LED light bulb, any color is fine. Binder clip, I have a medium size one. Scissors, scotch tape, a coin cell battery that's like a battery you would put in a watch or something like that. And then a decent amount of tin foil to aluminum foil, enough to cover your stick. So my first step, I'm actually going to cut off the edge of my craft stick. The flat edge is going to help us a little bit better later on with our switch. Now to test your LED battery, what you're going to do is place your LED bulb over the top of the battery itself with the prongs on both sides, kind of like it's riding a horse. And if it doesn't work, just flip it around. Okay, so to get our aluminum foil down to the size that we need, I'm going to take my big piece and I'm just going to tear them into two pieces. And then after that, all I'm going to do is kind of fold them onto themselves a little bit so they're thicker strips, because I know aluminum foil can be a little fragile sometimes. So that's all I'm going to do is I'm going to have two thick aluminum foil strips. Alrighty, so I'm actually going to now bring my LED bulb back into it. I'm going to place it on my stick the same way I did my battery, one prong on each side over the top. And then I'm going to take my aluminum strips and we're going to put those on there. My aluminum strips between videos I actually made a little bit shorter. They need to be shorter than your craft stick. You don't want them longer than your craft stick. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to tape them with some scotch tape, plain old scotch tape, and I'm going to tape them into place. I'm going to put the foil over the top of each prong of my LED on both sides. So it's going to be aluminum foil on top of your LED metal prong, and then you're just going to tape it into place, and then you're going to tape it down the stick so the whole thing stays in place. All right, so we are ready to make our switch. I'm going to take that binder clip on the flat end of our stick that we cut off earlier, and I'm actually going to move the metal prong up towards the top of the stick. This is actually where our coin cell battery is going to land. Our metal prong on our binder clip is actually going to touch our battery. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put our battery on there. And then remember, if it doesn't work the first time, just flip your battery around. And I'm going to tape it onto the stick. Make sure not to cover the whole battery with tape. You want to make sure that the binder clip touches the battery without any tape in the way. And voila, you've got your LED flashlight. So when we lift our binder clip switch up to touch that battery, that metal piece, your LED light bulb will light right up. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you had fun making your LED flashlight with us. Please share your finished project with us on Instagram. Ask your grown-up to take a photo and post it using #TheMondayMake and #Mach1PPL. And make sure you don't miss our next video. Subscribe to Phoenix Public Library's YouTube channel. This STEAM DIY video has been brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. We're a space for makers, artists, crafters, and hackers. What will you make next?